This is the walkthrough video for PCTC 2021-2022 Round 1 Senior Mode, Question 7, out with the, what does that say? Evens. Out with the evens. Okay, so we're given a number, and we essentially need to just keep chopping it in half until it's odd. And this should just scream while loop to you, because we want to keep doing the same action until we reach the condition that's odd. Okay, but first off, let's just input our thing. So it's a number, let's input it as an integer. And this is where the lovely while loop comes into play. So the condition is that if number is even, then we want to keep doing this action. So how do you check if something is even in Python? Well, the way to do that is to use this command. It's the %, and that means mod. So this condition checks if num is even. The way it works is this is a calculation for getting the remainder. So num %2 or num mod 2 the result is going to be the remainder when num is divided by 2. For example, if we take 19 and we do 19% or 19 mod 5, the answer is going to be the remainder when 19 is divided by 5, which is going to be 4. Okay, so now we understand what the percent symbol does. We should hopefully figure out that this is a way to check if something is even. And if it's even, we want to keep doing this action of chopping it in half. So num is going to be equal to itself divided by 2. And this is the way which you can kind of just efficiently divide a number by 2. Yeah. So it's kind of like you've probably seen like the plus minus, the plus equals or the minus equal. It's a very similar idea, but with division. And then we can just print num. And one thing to note about why I've done integer division, because you might know that double slash is the integer division and single slash is just normal division. If you do normal division, the result of this is going to be a float. It's going to be a decimal. And we don't want decimals, we just want integers. So we need to do integer division to keep the result as an integer. And yep, I guess that's all 5 points. This is a bit confusing, so I would recommend taking this code and playing around with it, printing things out to make sure you understand how it works.